In this video, I will show you how to connect Printify to Etsy. First, open Printify on your device. Once you are in Printify, you will see various options. Look for one called My New Store and tap on it. Next, you will see a screen with different options related to your store. Look for something that says Manage My Stores and tap on it. Now you will see a button that says Add New Store. Tap on this button to proceed. After tapping on Add New Store, you'll see a list of different platforms you can connect with. Look for Etsy and tap on it to connect your Etsy store with Printify. Before you proceed, it is important to read the information that appears on the screen. This will give you important details about connecting your Etsy store with Printify. Once you have read the information and you are ready to proceed, tap on the button that says Grant Access. This allows Printify to connect with your Etsy store. Now you will see that your Etsy store is successfully connected with Printify. To make sure everything is set up correctly, tap on My Etsy Store. After that, tap on Manage My Stores to double check that your Etsy store is properly connected. Now you have successfully connected your Printify account with your Etsy store. You can now start selling your products at Etsy using Printify. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Printify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.